Building with Papa. Okay, I'm here at a client's house and somebody tried to use this Muntin as a step. They put their foot on it and broke it, and then they used this horrible glue to try and fix it. It's not in line with the other one. It's sagging where it's broken in the middle. It's really horrible. Let's get this fixed. Okay, this Muntin had broken. Someone tried to repair it and they did a lousy job. I'm gonna see if I can fix this so that it's not noticeable. All right, let's get started. Hey Pickles, are you gonna help me? What a good girl. Okay, found this product and we're gonna try and do this repair with it. Okay, I got some PVC cleaner, some wood shims, and some paper towels. I'm going to try and clean this up first before we apply the product. Okay, I'm cleaning it up and this piece came off, but I think that's a benefit. Okay, I cleaned it up, putting the pieces back in together, and now we get these 8 come in a pack, and you open it up, mold it, and then apply it. And that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I opened up the pack. It feels like silly putty. I don't know if any of you might remember silly putty. All right, now we're gonna mold it. Applying it, and then we'll start to shape it. Just keep molding it and shaping it. I put this piece of wood in to help it to stay up. Once it dries, it should be fine. I'm going to continue to mold it. Okay. All right, I molded it all in place, and now it just needs to dry. Once it dries, I'll pull that stick out. But that's it. Okay. Now it's all dry. Let's pull this out. There you go. It's repaired. All right, building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.